One of the questions we get asked a lot at Domino Clamps is how our customers can attach timber to a shipping container without damaging the container. Now, one way, of course, is just to drill holes into your timber, the correct spacing for the Domino clamps, and just bolt straight through it and straight onto the Domino. But for quicker applications, we've designed for you this 30mm thick birch ply adapter plates. These come with two M12 by 45mm countersunk screws to go straight through the face on diagonally opposite corners, and then that leaves you with enough space there to be able to use to screw in whatever else you need to do next. Smaller, lightweight timber frame structures, set panels, lightweight stud work, or anything else you might be wanting to quickly attach using a drill driver and a few screws. So it doesn't matter whether you put the plywood on the Domino clamp first or the Domino clamp into the corner casting and then put on the ply, you can still reach that center bolt using a 10mm hex key and still be able to do up your Domino clamp. Let's give it a go and show you how it all works. For this, you'll need a Domino clamp, and for each Domino clamp, a 30mm plywood adapter with two M12 by 45mm countersunk screws, a 10mm hex key, and an 8mm hex key. So there you have it, with two Domino clamps and two 30mm plywood adapter plates that you can get in our shop. Put that 2x4 length straight up the side of the shipping container, ready for other chippies on site to do whatever stud work or other building work they need. That's it for now. Follow us for more videos on YouTube. Sign up to our mailing list on the website. And follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, always /Domino Clamps. And in the meantime, happy clamping.